IT managed services. Managed services are those taken care of by a third party, known as managed service providers, MSPs. Today, IT infrastructure is crucial for businesses, but not all may have the resources or skills to manage it effectively. There are 6 basic types of managed services, including end user, infrastructure, on-site, cloud, security, and technology support. Each type offers unique benefits for businesses. Using managed services can provide cost control, risk management, increased availability, efficiency, and productivity, as well as future-proofing for your company. While managed services can help fill staff shortages and improve security, there are also potential downsides to consider, such as delays in response and potential upselling of unnecessary technologies. Managed services are distinct from cloud services, as they involve a third-party company taking care of services for a flat monthly fee, allowing you to focus on other crucial aspects of your company. To ensure the best results, managed service providers must follow best practices, including a well-defined IT service management methodology, comprehensive service descriptions, and up-to-date technology and staff skills. Managed services can be a game changer for your business, providing practical, predictable, and efficient services while reducing your stress.